Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. My name is Adam. Welcome back to my channel, Kaputy. On the docket for today, we're going to go move a piece of equipment for my buddy Tommy. That's Tommy with an A. We're going to go pick up his excavator and just move it down the road for him. His trailer's in the shop. It's sick with the coronavirus, so let's get kicking. I see you found my secret lair. Or my office. Don't come in here late at night when it's kind of dim. That's going to be gross for you. Anyways, you saw me back in, load up Tommy's excavator, drive down the road a little bit. That's about it, because in a stroke of irony, camera got coronavirus and I lost a bunch of files, but don't worry, I got the ones of me barbecuing with my shirt off still. Comment below if you need to see those. Just kidding, I'm not going to show you those. Those are for my wife only. Anyways, you saw Tommy. That's Tommy with an A. He has got a huge pickup truck. So, we got him all moved so he can go bury a horse. Shitty deal there. I don't think it's not his horse, but horse nonetheless. I don't know, they could just slice it up real thin. You know, like, oh. Then you put like some Italian peppers on top of it. You get a nice hoagie roll, you know, like, ooh. You know what I'm saying? An Italian horse sandwich. Just think about it, you know. I want to open up a restaurant in Kentucky and call it, you know, like the Belmont Steaks, you know, for the third place finisher at the Belmont Steaks, you know, you just... Anyways, future ideas. Seeing as all the restaurants are closed, I should just probably do it here. Speakeasy, barn restaurant at Kaputy Inc. Let me know if you need it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you don't have coronavirus. Check us out on Facebook. See you on the next one. Oh, you're still here? Go. Just because you're in quarantine doesn't mean you need to be watching me. Okay? You don't need to... Well, you should watch me. Subscribe. Get out of here. Go. Go.